periodically I'll take and hit the top of it.
Yeah,
and I'll take. Well, I spray it all the time, but periodically I'll hit the top of it with a spatula or I'll run a wire brush up there and spray up in there purposely. I don't want anything falling in my food.
Yeah.
You know, and that's what I'm after. And that's the way it works in a real restaurant. If you don't clean the griddle, it's a greasy spoon tomorrow when you fire that bad boy up. I'll take and clean the back of it with like a Brillo, not a Brillo pad, but a metal hot scraper.
Okay, it's okay to do that?
Oh yeah, or you can dial them out and clean them, but there's no purpose in it. You know, 7/8 end wrench if you ever decide to take them out. If you don't want to take them out by hand, you strip the grommets.
I didn't know if there's some.
No, it's like, well, this one's loose.
Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't think you put sand on.
See, like right here is what you're talking about on the back end of these.
Yeah,
being able
these
to
get
clean
dirty. I
that
didn't know if
resin.
that affects
Yeah,
them.
that's not going to hurt one bit to get that off there occasionally. Some guys that cook competitively, they'll dial theirs out and keep them in boxes. Well, bouncing up and down the road, and they're running hundreds of miles.
Yeah, exactly.
And they just got this notion, hey man, I can't afford to get there and find out they're bounced out in the cage, or something.
I'd have an
Not to
extra
say you need to take them out. Most of us never take them out. We leave them in our cookers and never mess with them. But yeah, this is a thing you'd want to clean here.
Take some 3-aught or something.
Yeah, just something to clean that up a little bit so it works a little better.
We're cooking on a line.